pipe cleaner with my class, and that was wonderful too. Quick and easy. Yep.
Huh? What? And then they have a keepsake.
I know kids would ask this. Because there's two different colored yellows in there. Is there a reason behind two different colored yellows?
No.
Because you know they're going to ask.
Back to the plan.
Whenever you
Hey, that was our teacher observation. What's that? We don't have
For all four of you?
That's not fair.
Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is talk about, this is how you teach children to learn to conserve water and to make sure that they're using it and not polluting water purposely. You'd take, yes ma'am.
I'm so sorry I have to be at the party. Can we turn the music off? Because I'm having conflicting.
It's 50s playing music.
I love it, but
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Okay, so one thing that they did is they had a big blow-up globe that you could just throw around, and then you could see how many times that you touched the ocean, you know, to show them how big the water is. And if we take it and we, this represents all the water on Earth, okay? And so you can tell that the Earth is pretty.
1,000 milliliters right here.
And so if we take that, and so if we know that this is all the water on Earth, and we show this to the kids, then they're going to be like, wow, that's a lot of water. And then you take it down and you pour in 30 milliliters of water, and this represents the fresh water on Earth, which is like 3%.
Ooh.
30, you said?
3%.
3.
So then, if I put salt in here, this represents the rest of the water that's not potable for humans. So this would be what we have to work with. So then we're going to take this down.
Fresh water on the planet.
Fresh water on the planet.
This includes, where do we have fresh water?
Groundwater, ponds, rivers, lakes.
Lakes,
Glaciers.
glaciers, ice
So
caps,
that's false.
clouds. Okay, most of the stuff that we were, everything but cloud, everything but ocean.
Ocean.
I don't know, on a water cycle we just got finished doing everything but the ocean.
So then we're going to take it down to, because at the North and the South Pole we have what? Ice caps. So we're going to take it down to 6 milliliters. And this represents 0.6% of the water's
Glaciers,
water.
frozen stuff that we don't have access to.
And we
That
can't
is.
use.
What's left is gone.
This is the stuff that's not in the ice caps.
Okay.
But usable.
That's
It's usable.
usable.
That's not
Now,
saltwater.
30% of this is groundwater. And so it's underwater, and so we have to get to it. It's not just there for us to use.
So 30% of that.
Mm-hmm.
That's 2 milliliters.
You have to take out the drop.
Okay.
Good luck.
Do you think you could have gotten a bigger dropper?
Yeah.
You need a pipette.
I wanted to see if he could actually do it. Now, this is, they said not to use this with small children because it would scare small children. But this is really, of the water that we have, that is all that we can use out of that. That's all we have for us to be able to drink. And so that's why we should conserve water. Yes, ma'am.
Well, okay, I I followed you to the 0.6%, which was the 30 milliliter.
Yeah.
Then where does it go to only give us a drop?
This is the surface and groundwater that we have.
Okay, that's surface and groundwater, and that is
The glacier water.
Glacier.
oh, that's
frozen.
Oh,
That's
okay,
the
gotcha.
glacier water. And this is the surface and groundwater. But just a drop was all that we used. So you can tell that this would scare little bitty children. They would be like, "Ooh," if they understood the concept of running out.
Maybe we can have so many lines at the water fountain.
So
Lord, it's your job to teach them with pee. They come peeing and they're hot. That's all we got.
That's all we got. Well,
No, they just would decide not to flush.
and so you can tell know that this would scare little kids, but older kids, it would make them think, oh wow, we really do need to conserve. So Mr. Brewer's going to show us now.
What do we do with that? With that water?
With that drop.